window hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you clicked on this thumbnail and that we get to hang out today and do some cleaning together. I know that I've said this before, but seriously, you guys mean so much to me. I am so thankful for all your support on my last couple of videos. I know that I have a few new subscribers, so I want to say welcome to you. And if you are watching my videos for the first time, welcome to you too as well. I hope that you enjoy this video and that you decide to subscribe. So today we're going to be doing a almost full house clean with me. The house was really messy. I know it doesn't look like it in the video, but there were just things scattered around and in the wrong places. So over the day, I just went through and went kind of room by room and organized and cleaned it and just kind of put things back in order. I don't know about you guys, but our family has kind of been out of sorts with all the changes due to COVID, and our schedules are completely off. We feel like we've had an extended summer. And so the house gets really worn down quickly, and if I don't stay on it, if I don't keep up with my to-do lists and take care of something every day, it really gets bad. Like for example, over the past couple of days, my laundry has been building up. If it's not my laundry, then it's the dishes, and if it's not the dishes, then it's the actual rooms themselves. So I've had to really do something every single day that is on my list in order to keep things organized. We are seriously considering homeschooling. Are you guys going to be doing that, or are you planning on sending your kids to school? Please leave me a comment below. I'm so curious to find out how you guys are handling the situation, and also don't forget to say hi in the comments as well. So obviously we are starting in my bedroom, which is what I tend to do. I like to make sure that I make my bed every single morning. It just really gets things going for me. I love coming into a neat and tidy bedroom. It is kind of my comfort zone, so it really makes me feel good if it is clean and neat and tidy, and I really work hard to keep it that way. So in the girls' room, it is pink because they have these LED light strips up on top, and it just kind of throws the camera off as far as the lighting. But I am going to be stripping the beds so I can wash their sheets. I'm going to wash them in hot water with bleach since they are white. And I'm off schedule with changing my sheets. So last week I did the boys' rooms, both of them, and I also did my sheets, and this week I'm doing the girls' room. I used to do all the sheets in the same day, and I don't know how I got off schedule. I am hoping to find a way to get back into it to where I'm not constantly washing sheets throughout the month. So I would like to have 2 days out of the month where I wash the sheets, and I need to get back on schedule for that.
They say you have to bruise to feel. I must be made out of steel. No one is in charge of my steering. This I know, this I know, this I know. Hoping dreams are meant to be shared and seen. No, I know, yes I know.
So in the boys' room, I am just going to quickly make the beds, give the furniture a quick dusting, a tidy up, and then I'm also going to vacuum. We have 2 cats in our family, and the older one loves to come in here and kind of lay around and hang out, and his fur gets everywhere. And my oldest son has actually both of the boys have allergies. So I have to make sure that I stay on top of the dust and the cat fur and everything. So I vacuum a lot in here and I dust a lot in here. If I don't do it, then they suffer. So I try to make sure to keep on top of this.
Outside the lines is uplifting and no crime. Get out of the box, let me show you how.
the dice, give it a roll. You never really know which way to go. Feel it inside, feel the spark, lift you up when you're falling apart. We think we know it all, we stand 10 feet small, with our head under ground. I think I've seen it all, that I've come so far, but it just got me high till I broke down. Does somebody know of a place where your heart doesn't sink like a stone? When you're naked and broken, nowhere to go. Does somebody know? Does somebody
And then here I just had to take a quick break. My new favorite drink for summer, if you guys are following me on Instagram, you would see I posted about this a couple of days ago. It's at Work It Mama Vlogs. But my favorite summer drink lately is like a really ice cold diet Dr. Pepper. I don't know what it is about it, why this summer is like this in particular, but I am loving it. So I'm just going to be refilling my cup here.
Somebody knows.
And now we're going to be emptying the dishwasher, washing the dishes that need to be washed, and then reloading the dishwasher.
Be what you are, like what you feel. Don't let the colors fade when it's hard to deal.
So I'm going to be making chili, and to make this chili, I'm basically putting in what I usually do, except for the spices. So this snapshot that I showed you, that is from Joanna Gaines's new cookbook. This is from the second edition. So if you want to take a quick snapshot of it, then you have her chili seasoning. I tried it, and then guys, this chili was so good. I want to say the main difference here is that this recipe called for unsweetened cocoa powder, and this is the first time I used cocoa powder in chili, but it made it so rich and the flavors so deep that it was really, really delicious, and the whole family loved it. I only have a little bowl left, and we're going to probably reheat it tomorrow for lunch, but it was really delicious. And by the way, I used turkey in this chili instead of beef, just to make it a little bit healthier.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a...
And now I'm just going to clean up the mess after cooking. It's always good to stay on top of it while you are cooking and in the kitchen. I like to clean up as I go, so I'm going to quickly wash up all of these dishes. Whatever needs to be hand washed, I will do that, and everything else goes in the dishwasher.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah,
So I picked up this new product at my grocery pickup. I think it was at Walmart, and it's Let Me Shine, and it's a disposal cleaner. Now, this is after I cleaned the sink and I ran the disposal and I thought everything was clean. I wanted to give this product a try, and you guys are going to see that actually my disposal was not clean at all. This made my disposal so clean and it smelled delicious. My sink was so shiny after I used this. I really recommend it. I will have it linked in my Amazon store in the description box.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door.
And here I'm just going to be refilling our cereal containers. We have been flying through cereal. The kids eat it as a snack. They eat it for breakfast. They eat it before bed really late at night. They just love, we are huge cereal eaters in this family. And so I'm going to be filling up, I think it's Special K, which is my ultimate favorite cereals. The Special K Chocolate Delight is my favorite. Then I also have some Trix, and I believe I also have some Captain Crunch that I'm refilling here in the big container.
Never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Who said it'd be easy to be in love? Who said that the sun would always shine? I'm not sure you realize what you are giving up. When did you fall right out of love?
Now we are in the laundry room. I'm going to do a really good tidy up in here and then take the clean laundry out so I can fold it, and pay attention to my little kitty. His name is Theo, and the entire time he's trying to figure out how to escape into the garage, and he finally does get his way.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you. Come rain or come shine,
While folding laundry, I've told you guys this before, I love listening to either music, audiobooks, or podcasts. And right now I am so into Bits of Bree's podcast. I'm on episode 7, which is called Make That Money, Honey. And I love this podcast. I think it is amazing. I think she gives so much information, especially to women who are looking to become entrepreneurs, or even those who are stay-at-home moms, how to handle the stress of all that, or how to handle the stress of a working mom, no matter what it is. But there's a ton of information in her podcast, and she often has guests that appear, and I just really enjoy it. So that's what I'm listening to right now in my AirPods as I fold this laundry. And my husband is watching a Keanu Reeves movie. I'm not sure what it is. Actually, I'm not sure. It might be Matrix. I really can't remember, but that's what he has on super loud. That's why I put on my AirPods in.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
And that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching and spending some time with me and spending time on my channel. If you're new, again, I want to welcome you. I hope that you enjoyed this and that you choose to subscribe. And also, if you can, click that like button for me and make sure your notification bell is turned on. To subscribe is free. All it does is it notifies you that I have posted new content so that you can come and enjoy it and get your motivation. All right, guys, have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.
I saw you for a second, and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever.